Hello and welcome to iNature videos. In this video, we'll be discussing about wireless network generations. After watching this video, you will be able to define wireless network, describe various categories of wireless network generations. A wireless network offers mobility to its users. It guarantees uninterrupted network connection even during travel or commuting from one place to the other. Initially, wireless network just supported voice calls. However, with the evolution of wireless technologies, each technology has added new advanced features for its users. For instance, a wireless network offers services such as broadband, video calls, and mobile cloud services. In this video, you will learn about different wireless networks. They are mainly classified into following 4 generations. First generation, also called as 1G, second generation called as 2G, third generation 3G, and the fourth generation called as 4G. Let us begin with the first generation wireless system. It was introduced in the year 1980s and was based on analog telecommunication technologies. The public wireless communication was first introduced with this system. Only voice call services were offered and the connectivity speed was also quite low, up to 56 kbps. The first generation wireless system comprised Advanced Mobile Telephone System, also known as AMPS, which was the first US cellular system. The traditional AMPS made use of omnidirectional antennas. However, directional antennas were introduced to improve the cell reuse. A 7-cell reuse pattern was used as it was the lowest reuse factor that could fulfill the 18 dB signal to interference ratio, also known as SIR, for using 120-degree directional antennas to transmit from base stations to mobile phones having frequency between 869 and 894 MHz. Forward channels were used. Similarly, transmit from mobile phones to base stations having frequency between 824 and 849 MHz. Reverse channel were used. Digital telecommunication technologies came into existence with the second generation wireless system. In 1991, the second generation wireless system was first introduced in Finland. It was based on the Global System for Mobile Communications, also known as the GSM standards. This system handled services such as text messages and fax. The system used cellular technology such as time division multiple access (TDMA) and code division multiple access (CDMA). TDMA offered support to several users. Examples include GSM, cordless telephone (CT2), Digital European Cordless Telephone (DECT4), and Personal Access Communication System (PACS). Later, 2.5 generation wireless systems were introduced. It offered continuous network coverage to users, which enabled them to make call or utilize data whenever required. Mobile service providers charged their users for a data usage. This system used General Packet Radio Service, also known as GPRS, a radio technology that served GSM networks. Later, in 2.75 generation, wireless systems were introduced, which used enhanced data rates for GSM evolution, also known as EDGE, to provide double the data transfer speed provided by the 2.5 generation wireless system. Now that we have covered the basic wireless networks 1G and 2G, let us deep dive into the next generation of wireless network. With the introduction of third generation wireless system, there was a rapid change in the way users connected and communicated with each other. Third generation wireless system was introduced in South Korea in the year 2002. It was based on the mobile telecommunication standards that follow the International Mobile Telecommunications 2000, also known as IMT 2000. Specifications by the International Telecommunication Union (ITU). ITU is the United Nations organization which specifies global telecommunication standardization. The third generation wireless system offers services such as wireless voice telephony, access to internet, mobile TV, global roaming, video surveillance, video calls, and wireless sound. Further, they also provide mobile data transfer at a very high speed. Large size of data could be easily transferred through mobile internet connection. It also enabled streaming of audios and video files between individuals residing at different geographical locations. Finally, let's talk about the most advanced wireless network, 4G. It was introduced in United States in the year 2008. In addition to voice and data support, 4th generation wireless system also offers a lot other services. The services offered by 4th generation network include mobile ultra broadband internet access at a speed of 1 GB per second, multi-channel hi-fi TV broadcast, high quality games, video on demand, mobile video conferences, remote control of household appliances using a mobile device, and also cloud computing. The main feature is speed and reliability. The 4th generation smartphone enables download of files at a speed of 10 times faster than the 3rd generation. 3rd generation wireless system introduced high-speed mobile internet access, while 4th generation wireless system might take mobile communication to the next level. 4th generation speeds are required for mobile phones such as smartphones and tablets. This brings us to the end of our video. Here's a quick recap of all the different generations of the wireless network. The first wireless network of the 1st generation was introduced in 1980s. Services offered in the 1st generation wireless network was only voice call services. The 2nd generation, which was introduced in Finland in the year 1991, and the services offered included text messages, fax, continuous network coverage to users. Now we come on to the 3rd generation, which was introduced in South Korea in the year 2002. The services offered in the 3rd generation were wireless voice telephony, access to internet, mobile TV, global roaming, video surveillance, video calls, and wireless sound. The last generation, which was introduced in the year 2008 in the United States, was the 4th generation. It included services such as mobile ultra broadband internet with 1 GB speed per second, multi-channel hi-fi TV broadcast, high-quality games, videos on demand, mobile video conferences, remote control of household appliances using mobile device, cloud computing, and wireless sound. Thank you for watching the video.